Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. You have seen the rumor, you have seen the renders. Today you are getting your first look at the real world photos of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra device. We reported last week that Samsung plans to launch the S22 lineup in the second week of February 2022. So until then, here are some photos on the front of the device. The edges are cut not flat, as some speculated. And yes, we have S Pen spotted unlike last year. This is full S Pen spot, with a slot for the accessory to slip into the device itself. The most recent renders from last month seem to be on point as the device features a curved display up front with curved corner and the waterdrop camera design on the rear. The back features a matte coating, but it remains to be seen if this will be the case with the retail units. Another highly leaked feature, a built-in S Pen housing, is also here, which makes the S22 Ultra a true Galaxy Note successor. The only specs we get are about the cameras, which feature the exact same setup as last year's S21 Ultra, a 100 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens alongside 10 megapixel 3x telephoto and 10 megapixel 10x telephoto modules. How do you feel about the S22 Ultra design? Sound off in the comments. The latest rumors peg the Samsung Galaxy S22 launch date as February 8, 2022. Pre-orders will begin the same day, and the phone will go on sale on February 18. The same rumor from John Prosser also says that the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will be released on January 4, 2022. That's a few weeks earlier than another recent report that claimed the Galaxy S22 will be released February 28, just ahead of MWC 2022. The Galaxy S21 range launched in January, slightly earlier than usual. But that might not happen with the Galaxy S22, as it could be pushed back to make way from the rumored Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, which has been tipped for a January launch. We have not seen any rumors on the Samsung Galaxy S22 price yet, but we anticipated that Samsung will keep the prices similar to the Galaxy S21 lineup. The company reduced the cost for the three models by $200, and we don't see prices going back up. So if Samsung stays consistent, the Galaxy S22 will be cost $799. The Galaxy S22 Plus will be $999, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be priced at $1199. It will be interesting to see whether Samsung introduces a lower cost Samsung Galaxy S21 FE sometime between now and S22 launch. But there is a rumor that the S21 FE could be delayed due to the global chip shortage. A big change that could be coming to the Galaxy S22 is an under-display camera, a feature that debuted to mixed success in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This would enable a true full-screen design without a traditional punch hole at the top of the display. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.